Okay, we recording. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, IndieBound.com. I am back with another video. So, somebody asked me to do like a spring/summer shoe haul. Let me move my camera. A spring/summer shoe haul. Some little gems that I have for you know, the upcoming the season already. It is spring, but it's damn near feeling like summer down here in Atlanta. So first off, I'm going to start off with the classics. I always keep a pair of crispy ups or Nike ones, as some people call them. Always get a crispy pair of these. That's just me. I like where I'm from. That's just how we do. Keep a fresh pair on deck at all times. I probably got like 5 pairs of ones. I'm sorry. Gucci. Please, stop. Gucci, please. Tell me, can you love me? Can you be my main squeeze? Please, stop. I'm sorry yelling at him, y'all. He's just being so aggy. So next, y'all already know, these are like a classic pair of like, you know, designer sneakers. I believe these were like $5.50. They're a little dirty because I've been wearing them. I got the all white McQueens in a size 37, I believe. Yes, size 37. Gucci, stop it! Get down! Get down! He's just being so damn bad. It's ridiculous at this point. Like, so yes, I believe these were like 5 something. Don't go breaking the bank for this stuff. Like I understand what it's like to be a student and not be able to get some of the things that you want because you see other people have them. Gucci, move. I'm about to put you outside. Go. You're about to go outside on the patio. Move. So yeah, I believe Steve Madden has a pair of sneakers that look like the McQueens and they're like $90-ish. So don't be feeling no type of way if those aren't the sneakers you can get right now. You will be able to get them. They are not, it's not like walking to heaven or nothing like that. They're cute though. You feel me? Next are these Dolce and Gabbana. What are these called again? The Daymasters. I got them in a size 37.5 because they run a little tight. I usually wear size 7 in women's. So just to give you an idea, I got the black and white. These are really cute. They're pretty comfy. The McQueens are not comfy. I meant to say that. Not comfy. But this is what they look like. I'll definitely be throwing these on, you know, just with little cute outfits or whatever. And I also want to get them in the pink and white. I believe these were like $6.56 after tax. I can't remember how much they were before tax. Again, don't go. Listen, all that stuff on Instagram and stuff be a facade for a lot of people. Like people trying to keep up with the Joneses and stuff. I get some stuff that I like. I might buy designer here, designer there, but I'm a very regular, smuggler girl. I will go get me a pair of $80 kicks in a minute. I don't care. If I like it, I like it. I don't force myself to buy designer if I don't like it. Next, I have the Gucci slides. Now, this is something that I did want, like when I was in PA school, or, you know, just waiting to start my job. So, it's like a little guilty pleasure. I got them in the denim. These are in a size 38. Here they go right here, the chunky ones. I think these are so cute and classy. They're not that comfortable, but they're not that uncomfortable either. They're not like the... Hold on, y'all. He is just being... Okay, I'm back. I believe those were they were $5.95. Excuse me. These are the blue tee, new denim, GG Delave. I don't know. Alrighty. Got me some Bottegas. These are the Bottega Sandal Pele. I don't know. This is what the box look like. These are size 38. Oh, this is the dust bag. Oh, all of them come with dust bags. I did not show y'all dust bag. Here goes the dust bag. I ain't even bust these drinks out yet. Here they go. Oh, these are sexy. I like these are 37.5. They run a little small, so I would suggest going like a half a size or a size up. I can't wait to wear these babies. Let's put them back. I'm a big shoe person, y'all. I love sneakers. I love heels. I love shoes. Now, let me tell y'all who don't mix. Steve and F. Madden. Okay? Out of all the shoes I got, I probably have the most pair of Steve Madden shoes. Like, I'm not, again, all my shoes do not have to be designer or high-end designer, I should say. I get shoes from freaking Sydney Shoes. I don't care. Ego Shoes, 50% off. $20. Holla at me. So my next little gems. Okay, so I know everybody got off Coach when, you know, we was in high school. But we're back on it. And shout out to my girl Meg Thee Stallion. I got my jellies for the summer. Ooh. These are in a size 37.5. These are the clear jellies. These were $80 at the Coach store. You can't beat that. They are so cute. Gucci. Gucci. Please. Good God. I'm about to whoop you. Get down. Get out. These were $80 at the Coach store. Is this what being a mom is like with your kids when they being bad? Because I don't understand. I'm not understanding it. And again, because I have an obsessive personality type, I got them in another color. Same size. I got the jellies in pink. These are also 37.5. Gucci, I'm going to hit you with the sandal in a second. No, I'm not going to hit them. But got like a little Coach logo. I don't know if y'all can see. Gucci, move! Move! Move, bro! Damn! Alright. Second to last pair. I'm sorry I'm boring, y'all. These are the Jeffrey Campbell. What are they even called? Prima Donna shoes in nude. These came across my Instagram story. Y'all know the ads be coming up on Nordstrom. And I was like, ooh, I gotta have those. It's sad how the data can track us and know exactly what we want. So, I got these originally in a 7, and they run really small, so I reordered them in a 7.5. Here they go. They have like that little 70s like disco look to them. I will pair this with something that's kind of not basic, but kind of like not casual, but sexy and chic, but not doing too much because the shoe is bomb. These are 7.5. I could have gone with an 8, but a 7.5 will do too. And it comes with a dust bag too, but the dust bag doesn't say anything. Boo. I don't need to be using those. Alrighty. And the last, second. Sorry, that was the third last. I got these Steve Madden Gracie clear shoes on the fly just to go with everything. These were like $100. I probably could have got them like 30% off online, but I needed them for that day. I got these from Bloomingdale's, I believe. Oh, Dillard's. I don't know. These are a size 7. They do run true to size, and they hurt like hell. Thought y'all should know. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute, but they hurt like hell. Whew. You gotta stretch them things out. And last but not least, another Gucci box. I'm indecisive, so I always gotta pick 2. You know, that's me. So I got the same slides in a different color. The Chucky Gucci slides. I don't know where it came with a dust bag. I think it's in my closet somewhere. These are a size 38. These are the beige Rougine T original GGs. These were $5.95 as well before tax. I got these at Neiman Marcus. And they're not uncomfortable, but they're not that comfortable either. They don't feel like you walking on clouds, but they're cute as hell. Sometimes beauty is pain, girls. Beauty is pain. But thank y'all for watching my video. I'm gonna do some more like little hauls and stuff, little girl talks and stuff. Again, like if you watched one of my other videos, you would have saw that I'm having difficulty setting up this camera and this microphone. So the next couple videos should have better audio because I will have time to figure out how to set up my microphones. You feel me? But make sure you comment down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. I promise to be more consistent. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Y'all, I'm blowing up on TikTok. Your girl almost at 80K. Okay. But make sure you follow me, interact with me. I try to talk to everybody as much as possible. I'm not no superstar or nothing like that. I am Beyonce. Like Beyonce, like Trina. Like a big booty ass black diva. Y'all thought I was about to say like Beyonce, like me. No, that came from Webby. Even though my girl Meg, you know, she switched up the flow a little bit. I messed with it. But yeah, make sure y'all comment, subscribe, do all that, turn your post notifications on. Thank you for rocking with me. I promise, I'll be more consistent. Please let me know what videos y'all want to see down below. I need to do an updated makeup routine. And this is my like go-to hairstyle right now, y'all. I wish I could do this on myself. This is the half up, half down, honey. And it just accentuates my face. You feel me? I would keep it forever if I could. But alright, y'all. Peace out.